I think we are live. If you're seeing the chat box, just quickly say yes or something. I promised every single one of you that I'd go live for every single time something crazy is happening. Somebody says, is it real this time? This 1 minute ago just came out. The CBOE just confirmed and announced that the Bitcoin spot ETFs will start trading tomorrow. Here's ARK Invest's listing, looking for the others now. So this has been 2 hours of anticipation, 2 hours of just clicking left, right, with a lot of scammers, a lot of freaking bozos sharing all this fake news. But officially, it is right now, just got confirmed, officially, the CBOE just said Bitcoin spot ETFs will start trading tomorrow. And so right now, it's a matter of take a look at the price. Right now, it's a matter of let's take a look at exactly what's going to happen to crypto. Yes, everybody that's coming in just quite yet or just right now, officially confirmed. The CBOE says Bitcoin spot ETFs will start trading tomorrow. I will keep repeating it for a little bit. Why is it glitching so hard? Not exactly sure what's happening right there. Breaking news. Everybody, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button if you're watching this stream right now. Any single person that's watching right here, you guys are all goated for having your notification bell on. Every single one of you. You are too special. You hold a special place in my heart. I will never forget your names. You guys are awesome. Oh, finally, everybody. Finally. Now the question comes, will the crypto market go for an insane rally, or was this it? I put my predictions in a video on Dusty Trades, which is our second channel. I just posted the video about like 1 minute ago. Maybe it didn't even publish just quite yet. I think it did. So right here over on Dusty Trades, you can see the video I just made where I talk about my new trade, what exactly we're doing. You can check that out later. All right. Because one of our trades opened earlier today, and I didn't even know. Why? Because these are all pretty automatic systems, but every single white line we buy, and it's been a really big grind of just a lot of profitable trades recently, extremely accurate, and if you've been a follower of Dusty Trades and you didn't make crazy amounts of profit the last couple of weeks, it's your own fault. But I digress. Right now, you can still claim yourself a free $5 position, by the way. I just noticed with the link down below. Let's just quickly take a look, though. Let's see. So this is 𝗲𝗏 who just posted the breaking news. Everybody's confirming this. It's been happening over the past couple of minutes. But specifically already like 15 minutes ago, Charles Gasparino also said this. One senior executive at a major Bitcoin spot ETF applicant tells Fox Business that the SEC had informed his firm that the fund will be approved today, sometime after the close of trading. However, he added this caveat, this is Gensler, so who the frick knows when this happens? So the story is developing. And that has to do with the fact that the let's quickly take this look. The fact that the CBOE is preparing for this to start trading tomorrow, and they confirmed it, does not mean that the SEC has officially given their stamp of approval. But I guess it's not that necessary for them to say it because it's being confirmed that tomorrow this is coming out. So who gives a crap, right? Who gives a crap? CBOE official, CBOE new issue notification. We are pleased to announce that one exchange traded product, of which an ETF is a thing, will be listed on CBOE and will begin trading as a new issue on January 11th, 2024. The ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF with the numbers right here. First day of trading is tomorrow. So it's been confirmed. It's been cleared. I'm not sure what else you want. 𝗲𝗏 says, and there it is. At least one issuer was informed by the SEC that the ETFs would be approved today, and issuers are still expecting this direction to stand. We know what everyone else outside the SEC knows. All eyes on Gary Gensler. Okay. Let me quickly see on my phone here who else just tweeted out something interesting. And there was actually one really funny tweet that I want to quickly showcase to you guys as well. If I can quickly grab it right here. This was one of the funniest things I've seen in a while. I think a lot of you guys will like this too. Here's Fred, and he actually You remember what happened yesterday? Where the SEC falsely approved, or at least falsely claimed over on Twitter, that the Bitcoin spot ETFs were approved, but apparently it got hacked, blah, 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 blah. Apparently Fred is now coming together to say, you know what? If you suffered damages due to the SEC's negligent supervision of their X handle regarding the false announcement of the Bitcoin ETF, it will be an honor to help you sue the SEC for the restitution you deserve. So he is literally going balls deep and suing, or at least thinking about suing the SEC. Isn't that kind of funny? Isn't that kind of funny? And also for all the people wondering, I do not know how many confirmations you want. If the CBOE says they are starting to trade the ETFs tomorrow, I'm not sure exactly if you want Gary Gensler's like little signature or anything. I'm not sure if that makes any difference because it's coming tomorrow. And obviously this also means that Ethereum and all these others are going to have their Bitcoin ETFs, going to have their Ethereum and whatnot ETFs quite soon following all this. So I'm just quickly trying to refresh to see if there's any new update with regards to, Yeah, Coinbase will custody all these ETFs, which is why I think Coinbase was sent like $600 million worth of Bitcoin today. I looked on Webull, and Webull, interestingly enough, also had FBTC already listed on there. Here's Wendy saying, it looks like we are down to the wire on the SEC legitimately approving the Bitcoin spot ETFs. These Bitcoin spot ETFs are now showing up on my Fidelity brokerage link account, and with an option to buy once it goes live. Seems to me like this is about time for liftoff. Yeah, this was like a few hours ago. I started sharing it over on Twitter. People started sharing over it on Twitter that all these different providers were starting to get on Fidelity, whatever the frick you pronounce it as. Who gives a crap? Tommy says, you're just now getting notification. Hey, how many of you guys got notified for this stream? And somebody who says, until it's officially confirmed, stop with the clickbait titles. Please get out of here. I don't know what type of confirmation you're looking for. This is literally the confirmation that even Fox Business is posting on. It's the most important thing we are waiting for. I'm not sure what you want. I literally put the title saying Bitcoin spot ETFs to start trading tomorrow because Bitcoin spot ETFs are starting to trade tomorrow. If that is clickbait to you, please go back yourself into a corner and just stop looking out your window, because what in the world? Some people are so strange, man. How is that clickbait? This is literally the news that just came out from the CBOE. They say Bitcoin ETFs will start trading tomorrow. So what's going to happen? Bitcoin spot ETFs are going to start trading tomorrow. There's nothing else I can make off of that. This is, go onto the website. Go look for yourself, because maybe they got hacked as well. Maybe they also got hacked. Maybe it's true. It could be. Now that the SEC got hacked, everything is up for a question, I'd say. I'm gonna follow them. So let's see here if they shared something on their Twitter account or only on the web. I think for the most part they just share it on the web. And another question I have is, where exactly would we find it when Bitcoin ETFs are approved? Because at the end of the day, they are approved from every single angle. Right? Here's, for example, tier 10K saying CBOE says spot ETFs will begin trading tomorrow. It's official. It's confirmed. Nothing else. Is it happening? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is happening. Bitcoin ETFs will start trading tomorrow. Stop asking me things except for that. No, you can ask me anything, guys. Don't worry. I love every single one of you. So don't worry. You can ask anything you want. But don't say it's clickbait when I try to title it as accurately as humanly possible. But this is exactly what's going on. So the CBOE, you can check out. I'm going to quickly press these things. Hopefully nothing crazy pops off. Give me a second. Yes. So here's what the CBE website looks like. CBOE new issue notification. We are pleased to announce that one ETP, ARC 21 shares Bitcoin ETF, got approved for trading tomorrow. And again, that's the difficult part here. There's no, it just got approved. Theoretically speaking, since Fidelity, since Webull, since CBOE, they're all posting it. That's literally all you need. But it's not officially the SEC saying, hey, here you go, or anything like that. Here's the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, which also got traded, or I'd say listed on Fidelity a bit earlier. No, sorry, on Webull a bit earlier. And here we have the Van Eck Bitcoin Trust. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hey, Lacko, don't worry about it, man. I never hold grudges. Don't worry about it. That is juicy. That is juicy, everybody. So we literally are getting it tomorrow. Bitcoin, as of this point, not really pumping. Not really doing nothing crazy, actually. Perhaps these guys are waiting, you know, for in terms of price action, for the official SEC type of related announcement. Not exactly sure on that. I'm just screenshotting these things just for good measure. I think all of them are probably going to come out. I don't have all of them just quite yet. I just have the ones you're seeing in front of you. So we have the one for the Fidelity, the one for ARK21 shares, and the one for Van Eck. Those ones we know confirmed. Probably, if all three of them are out there, though, they're all in the same little bracket, same little boat. But if you guys have anything else, please just send it to me over the Twitter DM. I'll take a look. As I'm looking at everything right now, we have too many sources open. And everybody, if you've not done it yet, make sure you go ahead and press that like button. Let's see here. You don't want to know how many tabs I have open, everybody. I am scrolling through so much news, it's insane. Just to make sure we have the latest of the latest. CBOE says spot Bitcoin ETF will start trading tomorrow. ETF ARK Invest CEO says the hack will not delay the Bitcoin ETF decision. That's all older. The SEC expected to approve the Bitcoin after. Yeah, so this I think was one of the most interesting pieces as well, right? Like we just saw from Charles Gasparino and Fox, that they will wait until the closing to officially announce it themselves from within the SEC. Where's that from? That is from Mr. Charles. I'll show you. What is his Twitter? There we go. Charles Gasparino just shared that. He said it. Let's see. Here's something interesting. I didn't take a look at that one just quite yet. I think it was like 40 minutes ago or something. Here we go. This is the one that everybody's freaking out about right now. I will also post this on Twitter for you guys. Why not, right? I'm just posting some stuff on Twitter for the people that don't watch these videos all the time or the live streams, so at least they can get all the latest news. Oh yeah, and you guys said please move the mic away from the typewriter. Let me go type some. Or maybe I should just bring it here and turn it off for a second. But this is the one, this little tweet right here, is the one from Charles Gasparino that shares that the SEC's official statement themselves might not come for a few more hours, probably after hours, because obviously they don't want to manipulate the market again. And I guess maybe they're afraid of the hack or whatever. So if you're wondering why am I being quiet, we're just trying to see what the latest update is. I'm typing to a couple of people. I'm looking around everywhere. And I've not read comments in a little second. Just because I want to make sure we have the latest of the latest. And so I am doing some hardcore typing and scrolling. Because I don't want to miss anything right now. Now is like a crucial time, right? Because they'll start trading tomorrow. I want to make sure we have all the reports. And I'm looking through the CBOE as well. But I'm not sure where officially on the CBOE website they're finding that. Is it in listings? Let's see. This is just the CBOE website that I'm now scrolling through, just to see exactly where these guys are finding these latest listings. So I'm just scrolling through, if you're wondering what I'm doing on the side here. Because we have the links. I guess I can see it from that. I can deduce it from that. Let's see here. So it is officially in the equities notices section. Let's copy that part of the link. Hey. Okay, I guess new listings then. I'm just trying to copy parts of the URL to see if we can get to a full list of sorts. Firm name parameter is missing. Okay. New list. Here we go. Here we go. All right, there we go. We got ourselves a list, boys. There we go. That is what we needed. Oh. Just quickly make sure. This is just a little list, if you're wondering, of all the Bitcoin spot ETFs that are about to start trading tomorrow. And I didn't see anybody post this yet, so I tried to figure it out, but we found it now. So that's juicy. Can I confirm? Yes, I think that is truthful. I think it all is legit. This is all good. This is the official CBOE website, just removing part of the link. Here are all... Okay, a lot of people are wondering, what has been confirmed? The things you're seeing in front of you right now. Let's see here real quick. For example, this ARK21 shares issue notification. This is the CBOE officially confirming that the first date, let me show it to you. The first date of trading is officially tomorrow for these Bitcoin spot ETFs. So even though the SEC says, or at least we've gotten from Fox, that the SEC will most likely not start approving it until tomorrow, until after trading today. That does not mean it's not actually confirmed. It's not actually going to trade or anything like that. So the SEC is most likely themselves just waiting for some reason. They're waiting for after hours, which could potentially be because yesterday they messed up. And this time they don't want to move the markets even more because otherwise it might look bad on them. Right? Because then they, theoretically speaking, move the markets twice. That's the only kind of thinking process that is going through my mind right now. But if you guys have a different opinion or a different reasoning, let me know. Okay, I'm just quickly taking a look at your comments now. I've been scrolling through. Somebody says, no idea why double post. Maybe I've posted something twice. Maybe something else did. Let me scroll through. If you guys have a question, pop it up now. I'm checking through every single thing you guys are saying. Matter of fact, I will pop it out and I will put the chat right in front of my face so we can see it the whole time. All right. Let's quickly see what's going on, what you guys are saying. Incoming super rug, there's a good chance. I mean, the approval is expected to be in about an hour and a half, officially from the SEC. That it's already approved as far as we can tell, right? Because if they're officially going to start trading tomorrow, there's no disapproving anymore. You want a screenshot? It's over on Twitter. You can find it. 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗧𝗧 pumping nice. Yes, most likely because this Bitcoin being approved right now means that Ethereum is going to get approved afterwards. So that just makes a lot of sense. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Hey, where are you all watching from right now? If you're watching this stream right now, where are you all watching from? Michael Long says, who cares if you hear typing to your thing, man? All right, thank you. How hard will we dump after approval? I think maximum 33 is like the worst case for Bitcoin still. Nice sweater, Dusty. What do you think about Sheck? I don't know that. XRP pump today. Theoretically speaking, XRP could have a pretty good pump now that the guys at, what was it? Was it Invesco? I'm not sure exactly. One of those guys confirmed that most likely the next thing coming up, I'll quickly check who it was, is XRP and Ethereum ETFs. Right? And since if XRP ETFs come along, most likely we'll see kind of a similar rally as we've seen just now with Bitcoin over the last couple of weeks. And as we saw back in 2021 with Bitcoin ETF anticipation. So that could be extremely, extremely, extremely bullish. I'm just scrolling through to see where we have the XRP ETF. I might have not posted the video. Give me a second to find the XRP ETF announcement. Oh, it might have been Valkyrie, actually. I cannot find, if you guys know exactly, I can just type it in, actually. Why am I being so stupid? XRP ETF, let's see. A lot of people are putting up those old XRP ETPs as new news. It seems it's not new. Nothing new has changed in that regard. The only thing that is new and exciting is the XRP ETF announcement. But no, people in the XRP community are going stupid again, posting a lot of stuff about XRP ETFs when some things are so. Doesn't matter. Dusty, stay positive, stay positive. We all know XRP and Ethereum ETFs will be coming pretty quickly afterwards. I can't find the source. Here we go. I found it. Took some time, but we got it. Valkyrie's chief investment officer, Stephen McClurg, said it wouldn't surprise him if we saw Ripple XRP and Ethereum spot ETFs coming to the market now that the SEC is about to approve one for Bitcoin. And Eric says, oh man, he may have just woken up the XRP army. Thoughts and prayers. To be honest with you, I think this is one of those things that really is necessary for XRP to go on a massive rally. Just some excitement for something like the ETF. That's what I'm thinking, right? Ethereum is going on a really, really hard rally. And it would make sense if XRP were to follow along, at least ever so slightly. Out of all cryptos coming up right now, XRP is one of the most logical ones to do so. And it's really funny to me how I told you guys a little while back that my friend had half of his entire portfolio in Optimism. And that was like a month ago, right? It seems. Maybe a month and a half ago. And that was at like $1.70. When I came from Asia, I told you guys in Asia, they're really positive about Optimism. And it's funny how I said, I think Optimism stacks in another crypto. And just how crazy those coins have done in such a short amount of time. And that's another point here. If you want to make crazy amounts of money in crypto, you got to sometimes be a little bit of a maniac. Because if you're only holding Bitcoin, you'll do well. But if you're going for altcoins, you can really, really go crazy. But to hold on some of these coins, it can sometimes be quite difficult. To hold on when things are already doing so well is quite difficult. So let's say that, for example, it doubled. To hold on, a lot of people would just sell at a little bit of profit, which I also understand. Another point is, let's say some projects have gotten no excitement recently. Why would you buy it? Even if somebody is saying it, why would you buy it? But here you go now with Optimism, for example, it would have definitely very much been worth it. But at the end of the day, you never know for sure. Everybody, if you're watching this right now and you didn't press that like button yet, right now is your best time to do so. We've got 750-ish people watching. And I'm looking at everybody in the chat. But we can definitely increase those likes by a bit. It costs you nothing. All it does is help out. And I've stated this before, but I'll state it again. We are right now, let's see if I can grab it up here. We are right now giving away a lot of cool monies to people that join things like our Discord. So a link is down below to Discord. And I've said before, I'm going to put a lot of budget aside to give away to people that are, interacting with our Discord. So every single month, we'll give some people something. And also on YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, whatever, just to kind of make sure that people have an incentive to stick around. Because I honestly think if we incentivize people first, eventually people will be able to learn from each other and actually post stuff where others learn from as well. Right now, a lot of people don't want to put anything up, but perhaps if I incentivize people first, more and more people will start sharing their own opinions, their analysis, and all that cool stuff. And I still have another airdrop video in the pipeline, by the way. If you're not into crypto airdrops, guys, please reconsider. Please, please, please reconsider. It's crazy that it's so easy to do nowadays, and you're missing out on at least a couple thousand bucks by not doing it as early as possible, in my opinion. But at the end of the day, not financial advice. But that's really my own opinion. Somebody just sent me this. 3 cryptos to gain most eyeballs in 2024. If you guys had to name one crypto you think would do best, which one would you think? XRP, Cardano, and Retic. No, this is an advertisement. Because, yeah, I can already see it's an advertisement. Otherwise, they wouldn't have put that crypto in there. So this is something you don't... You see, if I'm seeing something like this, I don't support it, man. Oh, okay, so they're claiming it's a sponsored post. But so this is not a real honest top 3. If I had to name a top 3, it's always so difficult because there's so many different sectors in crypto that would do well. And the reason I'm saying this all right now is because we're looking through all the news with regards to Bitcoin spot ETFs, but not that much is changing, all right? Yes, on Webull, this FBTC got listed. Yes, on the CBOE, but nothing crazy is changing. So I'm just scrolling around, seeing if anything new pops up, and I will share with you if it does, but it's basically right now we're just waiting. So that's why I thought we have some time to quickly look at some of the coins I love myself. But once more, I'll confirm that right now as it stands, the situation is so that the CBOE issued a ton of these different, literally, issues. Where was the link again? Let me see if I can find it. It is, I think right here. Here we go. So they have an issue for the HODL symbol. Here's, I guess, 3 at once. Not sure. For 3, no, this is T-Rex. Not sure what those are. The Invesco ETF, Franklin Templeton, Fidelity, CBOE Vest, I guess, and ARC21 shares. All coming up tomorrow. All starting to trade tomorrow. So, again, for people coming in, the ETF did not officially, all right, I'm doing these brackets here because there's different parts. It officially is going to start trading tomorrow. So from that perspective, yes, it's been approved. From another perspective, the SEC has not put up their own stamp of approval. But at the end of the day, I don't think it matters. Peter Feckes with the Swiss franc. Shout out to you with the lemon. Nick says, hey bro, could you please explain to me, why would anybody buy an ETF and pay fees to someone to hold it when you can just buy the coin? There's a couple very simple answers to that question. Answer number 1. If you are, let's think of, if you're above the age of 65, consider yourself. But if you're not, consider your father. All right, consider your grandpa if you're very young. Let's say they want to get started with crypto. How would they go about it? The easiest way would be if a very trusted party, like BlackRock, were to have it on their trading app, right? On their investing app. And then BlackRock offering you the opportunity to buy it just like you'd buy into the S&P. That's how most people know how to invest. And so to have an option like that, it's going to attract way more people because it's less suspicious and strange as understanding how to use a crypto exchange, right? So this way they don't have to learn Coinbase themselves. They can do it through BlackRock, for example, which is way easier. Second of all, in this case here, even though they are using Coinbase as a custodian, they are the ones that are responsible for your money. So it gives a certainty to the space, which is good for the space. But for you as an individual, it gives you the certainty that BlackRock is now the one you basically gave your money to. Even though they're storing it on Coinbase, okay. You are giving your money to BlackRock, not to some random guy on the internet. That's what a lot of people like for it. Most people don't care about a 0.2, a 1%, whatever fee. Let's say you want to buy $1,000 worth of crypto, and your plan is to turn that $1,000 into $100,000. Why would you care if you have to pay $2.50 to buy $1,000 worth of crypto? Most people don't care about that, especially if the first year the fees are waived. But more importantly, it's for the people that have got $5 million, $10, $20, $40 million. It's just a lot easier. I'm not talking liquidity purposes, even though that's another part. But it's just something way more convenient, as they don't have to store it themselves, and they don't have to open up a discussion with Coinbase custody. No, they could do it through BlackRock or something along those lines. So it's just for convenience sake. It just makes sense. Now, is it the true vision of decentralized crypto? No. It's, theoretically speaking, very much against the way that crypto should operate. It is. So if you are a person that's thinking about it, well, why would you? Why not just hold your crypto in your own wallet and screw all these guys? Give a big middle finger to the guys like BlackRock, because all they're doing is hoarding the crypto in their own wallets and letting you basically be owed some. But I don't like it that way. Then again, if you're just speculating on crypto prices, then it makes sense. And it makes sense for the wealthy. It makes sense for people that are very unaware. It makes sense for big institutions as well. If you're an institution and you don't want to have to deal with Coinbase directly, this is a very easy matter. Or if you couldn't get the license to buy, as a pension fund, something along those lines, it just sometimes might make sense for it to be indirect better than direct. Somebody says, I'm confused. Why are you confused, sir? Dusty question, if the ETF gets approved now and Bitcoin can be bought through exchanges that handle securities, won't affect the adoption of decentralized currencies? Is the purpose of crypto or no? The simple answer to that is, I will show you the question. The simple answer to this question is, theoretically speaking, nothing bad is happening in crypto, because the ones that wanted to speculate only on price anyway could have already done so right now. And it's not necessarily worse than keeping your money on a crypto exchange. By definition, the way that BlackRock and stuff are doing it could be better because they're using Coinbase as a custody provider. So theoretically speaking, your money might be split off from the funds of a hot wallet from a crypto exchange, the way they do it right now, for example. So perhaps it might be slightly better. But no, for the most part, if you want to adopt crypto, you can. Right? This is just a way that people who don't want to can still speculate on the price and still be involved in the price action and in this new world. At the end of the day, though, if you're buying crypto on a crypto exchange and you're never taking it off, it's a good question as to whether or not you really are into crypto or you're just into speculating on cryptocurrency prices. I put this argument up before that only if you take money off of a crypto exchange are you somebody who does stuff in crypto. If you're only buying crypto on an exchange, and that's all you've ever done, you've never sent a single crypto transaction, there's an argument to be made that you're not really into this crypto stuff. Okay, again, I see somebody, and this, I know it might just be a troll, but how, please guys, educate me. How is the title clickbait? Let's see, right? Because what I can do is I can just go put this on the side. Click right here. Look in front of my freaking face and see this. Hey, what are we seeing right there? Hey, we are seeing that indeed Bitcoin spot ETFs are about to start trading tomorrow. Hey, yeah. There we go. Yep. All right, somebody says, check out Senator Vance's press. Okay, we'll take a look. Somebody says, I don't want to give my money to BlackRock. You see, a lot of us in the crypto space are never going to give BlackRock a cent. I will not, because why would I? But some people don't care as much. Matter of fact, a lot of people don't give a crap. They just want to invest in the easiest way possible. They don't give a crap about the underlying details. Yannick says, not sure I can paste the tweet on Send Vance Press. He didn't post anything new, Chief. Or are you referring to this older tweet? This one. Breaking. Senators J.D. Vance and Senator Thom Tillis demand explanation for the SEC's errant announcement of the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. It is unacceptable that the agency entrusted with regulating the epicenter of the world's capital markets would make such a colossal error. It is kind of funny. But that is with regards to the Bitcoin ETF decision of yesterday that was fake because the SEC account got hacked because they didn't have two-factor authentication. Where can you watch if the ETF is approved? That depends. Depends on your definition of approved. Because theoretically speaking, the ETF starting to trade tomorrow is all you needed in terms of an approval. If you're waiting for the SEC announcement, it can be the SEC website, it can be the SEC Twitter, it can be the SEC Instagram account. It can be Bloomberg, it could be any one of those places. So at the end of the day, yeah, we got ourselves the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, and prices ain't doing shit. I mean, yeah, we're pumping a little bit, but it's not like massive as some people I would have hoped. I still think we're going to find an interesting barrier at 47, like we actually have just seen here over the last few hours. But I talked about all this on my trading channel. BV says, but it has to be today, though. I thought they have 2 hours. No, they don't have 2 hours. In theory, they have till, like, I think, 23:59. But Fox Business said one senior executive at a major Bitcoin spot ETF applicant tells Fox that the SEC had informed his firm that the fund will be approved today, sometime after the close of trading. However, he added this caveat. This is Gensler. Who the frick knows what happened or when this happens? Because it's Gary Gensler, right? So, Kung Fu Tuber says, I think most are watching social media and the news to announce it. That's also what I'm doing here. I'm just constantly updating myself by looking through all the news, looking through everywhere. Because at the end of the day, it's hard to have one central source. I've shown you previously which accounts are usually really, really fast. One of them is Tier 10K. This account, for example, I have my notifications on for because I know he'll be one of the first to accurately put it up with sources. You can see that's why I got 1 million views almost in an hour because a lot of people watch this guy. So if you're wondering where, personal recommendation is this. But theoretically speaking, we've got about, I'm going to say, one more hour or so until the window opens for where it was expected for the SEC to give the announcement. 4 p.m. EST, I think, is in what? An hour? So then the next 3 hours it could happen in. Then again, they can do it anytime, right? That's just, they want to probably wait for after trading. So it could very well be that it's just 6 p.m. to do it as late as humanly possible within that window still. Top of all says ETF hasn't been approved yet, Dusty. The website you're looking at about ARC21 is just in case it gets approved. Fair enough. Fair enough. I think the chance of approval is like 99.999%, everybody. From the SEC, that is. I mean, or do you guys think that this preparation happens all the time? I don't know, man. It just doesn't seem... somebody says it's too confusing, all this stuff. I'm gonna be honest with you. It is pretty freaking confusing because nobody knows exactly which announcement you're waiting for. Because if the CBOE says it's going to start trading tomorrow, let's quickly read the little details here. All right, let's quickly read this. So Fidelity, by the way, just posted all of these links on their account. If you have a Fidelity account, go in there, for example, and you'll see they already listed all these different Bitcoin spot ETFs on their platform. So did Webull, so did all these others. So it's kind of funny that it's going to just be on their platform then forever and get denied? Can't happen. A denial can't happen. A delay, or theoretically speaking, but I think for the most part, it's because it's Gary Gensler. If it was anybody else, I think this would have been like the most streamlined and easy process ever. But it's because it's Gary Gensler that is making things difficult. So the BZX exchange listed securities will be quoted and printed to the 𝗖𝗢𝗠𝗪𝗏 data feed. For the new ETP issues, CBOE conducts a single new issue auction to open trading at approximately 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. For additional information on how daily and new issue accounts are conducted for CBOE listed securities, please see here. Hey man, I'm not so sure exactly which thing you are watching. So you're telling me that this means... Wait, why is the BlackRock one not in there? But you're telling me that this means in case. Why would they write in case then? Peter says the clown goes to McDonald's first and shake the hand of Ronald before he approves. I like that. That means they have them ready to go. You think they do this all the time? Let's see. So no, they've only done it, at least they only put this up once 30 minutes ago from ARK21 shares. Man, I don't know. I think I don't think there's any world in which it gets denied from the official part of things. It's going to be interesting to me, though, how the announcement is going to be brought out. Because they kind of messed up earlier now, right? Like, the fact that their Twitter got hacked the day before is constantly in my mind, just swerving. How awkward that must have been at the office. Can you imagine the rampage that Gary Gensler went on? Or is he really a nice guy in real life? I mean, let's be honest here. We don't know jack shit about these people. Maybe Gary Gensler is like a really big family man. He's actually a really nice guy. He's just really, really a satire-filled motherfricker, you know? Every time he's just posting something and laughing his ass off. What if? Right? We are just looking around here and he's just laughing his ass off at all our misery. He's just the most satirical, I guess, cynical. Something like that type of person. It could be. Somebody says, no, he's a total douchebag. I'm just saying, at the end of the day, you don't know, right? Maybe he's just the biggest troll we've seen in the decade. And he's just going to post on his Twitter, lol, I hacked the SEC's official account. I'm just saying that for fun, right? What if? What if? Anyway, with regards to XP, a lot of you guys are wondering, I still believe we could see some juicy pumps, but mostly the attention is centered around Ethereum right now. XP is up 1% over the hour, but it's not that special. Back to 58 cents, though. It's a good journey again. Let's see. The last hour here has been nothing too crazy. It's just the day that's been crazy with, I'm not showing it to you, with Optimism putting some really good stuff up. Is this a podcast or a live stream? I think it's a live stream. Dusty, could you do a video soon on the upcoming Say airdrops and how to get in on it? Yes, I will do that. I have a video on 10 different things you can do for airdrops today. I'll probably post that today or tomorrow. And then I've got some specific airdrop tutorials coming up over the next like 5 or 6 days. I've got many coming up. And by the way, guys, if you've not done it yet, make sure that you go ahead and press that like button on the stream. It hurts you not. Why did I say it that way? It doesn't hurt you, is what I wanted to say. And if you've not done it yet, you might want to put your notification bell on for future videos. Because what if something crazy happens? You might want to be notified, is the way I always say it. And because if something crazy happens, we're going to sing. One of you guys already knows it, all right? We used to always sing, pump it up. You've got to pump it. But we're not really pumping just quite yet. The excitement is not here the way I kind of want it to happen. Stock market doing good, though. We need them airdrops, fam. Airdrops are nice. And they're one of the easiest ways to just make some money off of not so much. But obviously, it's only going to be here for the next couple of months, though. Like, if you look back at this crypto space in a few months, these airdrop things, they won't be as lucrative as they are right now. It's like the last couple of times. And also, theoretically speaking, the more videos people make about them, the worse it's going to get. Before, a lot of airdrops could make people so much more money than right now. It's just the truth. Right? It's logical as well, though. As time progresses and this space gets more and more saturated, if everybody is farming the exact same freaking airdrops, the value on that platform, for example, if it's about total value staked or whatnot, goes from, let's say, 20 million to like 1 billion. Obviously, your airdrop is always going to be I guess like 1/20th or something like that. So let's see. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Indian stocks are on fire. Okay, I'm not trading any Indian stocks. Who is doing that? Who is trading Indian stocks in here? You deserve a little award. Name one Indian stock. Wait, what? Hey, how many of you guys are trading stocks at all anyway? Are you trading stocks or only crypto? Fox Business is Cathie Wood on live. Okay, let's take a look. You mean on the web or also on Twitter? I'm not so sure if Fox does these things on Twitter as well. No. Hey, this is a funny. Guys, I've got something funny. Please don't laugh too loud, but this is really funny. I like this a lot. Will the SEC investigate themselves after Gary Gensler dealt embarrassing blow in the Bitcoin ETF debacle? By their own account, obviously getting hacked. It is a really funny thing, and I don't think the SEC is going to win like Agency of the Year award anymore. I don't think they'll be able to win, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that is so funny. I like that. I like that a lot. I mean, Gary Gensler is my favorite person in the world. Yeah, no, I can't hold a straight face when saying that. I mean, if you guys were here back in 2020, everybody was excited for Gary Gensler to come on because Jay Clayton was kind of a piece of ass as well. But when he came on, it seems like things just went way, way, way worse than when Jay Clayton was here. Like, only downhill. And I guess it's because you get career politicians in those spots instead of people that do it for passion and because they care about, people and actual finances from the normal ones. Maybe Gary Gensler, as I said before, is really good at what he does. That does not mean he's there for the people to protect the people. It just means he's good at whatever he's being tasked to do. And that could be that he was just tasked by his superiors to be like, hey, mess these people up or whatever I don't know what is tasked. But, they're liking him, I guess. Otherwise, how after all these blunders can he still be at the top? Which is why I was so in a funny position. I liked it when Fred said we can now try and sue the SEC because they literally cost us millions of dollars yesterday. Isn't it kind of funny? But at the end of the day, we've got so many pieces of evidence that the SEC is doing shady stuff and nothing ever happens against them, which is the story of a lifetime, huh? The story of our lives. Crypto only, crypto only, crypto only. Just the miners. Mining stock, huh? Please never put in the chat how many tokens you have of something, guys. I know it can just be a lie, but in no way, shape, or form is it smart to put in exactly how much you have. What if somebody's watching who's going to try to steal your shit now? I mean, I don't know, right? You don't know who's watching. Maybe the IRS is watching. You just kind of messed up telling them you have all this crypto. Now you can never backtrack anymore. Now you can never backpedal saying you got nothing. Because you're already explaining now over on a YouTube chat, and all of a sudden in your audit, they pull up the records where you said exactly how much crypto you got. I'll be laughing then because you messed up by putting exactly how much you have. So if you're going to put a number down, you better make sure it's too funny that the IRS doesn't believe you. Dusty, do you think they'll keep XRP from the public somehow? Keep XRP from the public. In theory, with the Bitcoin ETFs, they're keeping Bitcoin from the public. Listen carefully, sit down and listen here. What I'm about to say is actually really important. So I'm not here talking about a private ledger for XRP or public. This is about keeping coins from the public. Do you know that through BlackRock, through all these Bitcoin ETF providers, they are literally keeping crypto away from the public? You might think, but Dusty, we're getting such easy access to crypto now. This is actually, matter of fact, an easy way for the public to get into crypto. And I'll tell you one thing. If that's what you think, you've just hit the surface. Because from one perspective, it is very much true. You get easier access to the price of crypto, but the actual crypto is now further along. It's like a little additional barrier that was now placed. Because most people will not put in the effort anymore to figure out how to buy some crypto and actually store it themselves. They will try to figure out how to buy crypto through BlackRock, through this, through that. So BlackRock and these institutions will keep hoarding more and more crypto while the people are, theoretically speaking, being kept away from it. There's a barrier. They will always hold the crypto. You are, owning it via them. They owe you the crypto. If you ever want it, in theory, they're tracking the price of it, but they own the crypto. So that's why I'll never buy through something like BlackRock. It doesn't make sense. If, a friend of yours, for example, just wants to speculate on price, they're not crypto people. They might have never gotten into it anyway. But I'd say for the most part, it's still always worth researching how to do all this stuff. I personally think. Hey, let's ask again. How many of you guys got notified that we were streaming? I just want to know. I'm just quickly going to share the stream on Twitter. I didn't actually do that a little while ago. And I'll also share. Wait. No, I'm just getting so this says July 25th, but this says filing date January 10th. What does that mean? So the reason I'm not speaking is because I'm trying to figure out exactly what the news is before I say anything stupid. So the news that came out is that 21 shares is withdrawn. Please be advised that the CBOE BZX Exchange Inc. is withdrawing the Form 8A12B certification as originally filed on January 10th for the following security: ARC 21 shares. I'm trying to figure out what that means. I'm clicking so many different freaking links, man. That's fake. Let's see. Somebody says that's fake, but why are we seeing a God candle down then, huh? Bitcoin just dropped 4% in 10 minutes. You guys are saying it's just FUD. Wait, no. Wait, it got me scared. Wait, what? Okay, so, guys, two things. First of all, what? The FBI is now investigating the hack. There's more. They're withdrawing more. What's going on? We got 𝗕𝗫𝗁'𝘀. You're the GOAT, my friend. I love that. So if you go to the official SEC website, I can show you, and you press this latest piece here, this one. You click this link, you'll see that now it says July 25th, yada, 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 blah, 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 right? The one I just posted on our feed. Is this just that they are removing an older certification? Isn't that just it? I mean, I'm not into this enough to know. Let's see. These are all the filings, huh? Let's sort by filing date. These are two filings that just came out for ARC shares 21. Open the Bitcoin thingy. Let's see. Please be advised that CBOE has received the application and has approved the following securities for ARC 21 shares. I think we saw that earlier. And then later, it's this one right here. To make concern, please be advised that CBOE is withdrawing the Form 8A. Let me copy this. And I'm going to look back. What is the date on this? Let's see. It is the 25th of July. Let's see. Wait, but there's no middle ground here. Fake news? It's obviously not fake news. It's literally new news. It's just here. I can click it on the official website, on the SEC's website. So that's not it. It's not fake. It's just, what exactly does it mean? You see, why is this so confusing, all this stuff, man? Damn. Why does it all... I'm taking a piss break. Give me like 30 seconds. Why does it all have to be so freaking confusing? Anybody who wants to research, this is what the thing was showing. Research it for a second. Take a look. Let me turn that mic off just to be sure. If I start screaming. What's up, boys? Does it burn when you pee? I love that. All right. So, anybody figured anything out? Who knows what's going on? CoinFlip says they withdrew, probably need to make more adjustments before approval. Hypothetically speaking, possible. Hypothetically speaking, possible. Because crypto recovered pretty quickly. I'm using my mechanical typewriter again to write a little story. If you guys want some mechanical ASMR, let me know. Let's see. People say this is more shaking out, huh? I mean, everybody is on edge right now. Reuters posted that on Thursday, the ETFs will start trading according to CBOE. Yeah, because the CBOE confirmed that tomorrow things are starting. But this is the official SEC website, right? This is the SEC's website, and they just posted. Let's actually refresh this. Give me a second. Let's refresh the CBOE new listings to see if something changed on here. But I'm also not sure how to find anything with regards to these SEC documents. Maybe you can only find them on the Edgar SEC situation. Purposeful confusion to shake up people, more than likely. I guess perhaps that's why it makes more sense for the SEC to actually wait in order to get this decision out for trading to close, because it's just this crazy. Let's see. So people, this is breaking my freaking brain. People are saying, please don't fall for the FUD because it's all going to start trading tomorrow. There's just changes. Okay. One of my groups is now saying, ARK Invest Kathy Wood says the SEC has yet to approve our S1, so we will not be effective until they do. Meaning, officially, it has not been approved, the Bitcoin spot ETF. CBOE just expects them to start trading tomorrow. CBOE, however, withdrew the listing certification for the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF and stated that they are awaiting SEC approval. So is that, or does that mean that the CBOE made a mistake by putting up these listings already? Because right now they withdrew. It says right here, CBOE withdrew listing certification for the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF and stated that they are awaiting SEC approval for the listing. I have the most funny of memes. I'll share it on Twitter for you guys. This is like, this is the most confusing garbage ever, man. What the frick? What in the world? This is like the SEC in a nutshell, man. This is it in a nutshell. What in the world? So please don't ask me if it's been approved or not. I have no idea anymore. From the CBOE perspective, it seemed so. From the SEC perspective, it does not seem so, as this was just withdrawn. You need a haircut. Maybe I do. Maybe I should get one. Soon. I'll get one. I've just been like, why would I get a haircut? Somebody says CoinGecko just got hacked. No way. Nah, it doesn't seem logical. But that would be really interesting if CBOE now messed up. Or it just means, no, I don't know. Because, for example, Bitcoin Archive posts like this. They are posting more along the lines of, hey, all these Bitcoin spot ETFs will start listing tomorrow if the SEC approves. And that's what one of the guys in the chat said earlier as well. And that does make a lot of sense. Okay, I think a lot of you guys are trolling me right now. BitGet crashing, CoinGecko hacked, CBOE hacked. There's another document from ARK to the SEC. Let me just quickly put this in here. There's another document from ARK to the SEC stating that they are asking for an acceleration so that they go into list. I think that was from yesterday though, right? Or is there a new one from today? So what if it's just all the providers knowing for sure they should be good to go, but the SEC hasn't given the go ahead, but you already know that everything is set. It's just them waiting for the trigger, right? So everything is already set up in the background. It's just the official announcement is not out. That's what I'm personally thinking. New CBOE doc file. Let me take a look. ARK B is the top one. Nothing new here. Let's see the SEC's Edgar, whatever the frick this is called, from 21 shares. Nothing new here. You're going to have to explain to me where to find this, Chief. I'm not sure which doc, which thing you're looking for, where on the CBOE, because we got the register, but what type of document and where do you find it? I linked it. What does it mean you linked it? Did you send it to me over on Twitter? Somebody shared on Twitter the Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin withdrawal. But if it's another withdrawal, it's all basically the same. They're just different companies. But that's not something... Okay. Haishan Lola said something. She says, Congressman Michael A. Collins reported buying ETH today. That's pretty bullish. I'm just chatting in with the boys, seeing if anybody knows anything else. This is the fun part about being in like 1,000 different groups. Everybody's sharing different information. But hey, little question. How many times have you guys looked for Bitcoin ETF approval today? Or like the last couple of days here? How often have you guys been checking for this? Like once, 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times? I think I've been looking at it like 1,000 different times already. And it's messing with my brain. Why did they make it so difficult? It's if the SEC just made a choice or just said, yeah, let's go. Because they can't deny it anyway, right? So why not just go for it? Why be so freaking difficult, man? I don't know. Guys. Doesn't make sense. All right. I'm gonna quickly say it again, guys. If you're watching this stream right now and you're enjoying it, make sure you press that like button because you've got nothing to lose, but it will hurt you if you don't press that button. Mentally, of course, by crying. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but make sure you press that button. If you, I'm not sure. Why do I keep saying some dumb stuff sometimes? I don't know, man. I really don't know. Sometimes I wake up and choose dumbest words in the world. Anyway, make sure you go ahead and press that like button if you've not done it yet. Let's get them up to at least 500. And that's all I'm asking for. Let's see. This was somebody asking about Hex earlier. This is our second channel. If you're wondering, we have a trading channel as well. You might want to check it out. I posted a video earlier about our trade again because our trades recently have been really, really, really profitable. So I gave an update on it just a little bit early today. But I posted it and then went streaming, so I don't think a lot of people went over to check it out. But hey, you sometimes have that. Also, I would note that some of my friends are having some really, really crazy crypto trading days right now because a lot of people are massively long. Here we got Trading Lord with $22 million worth of positions open right now. We have 𝗕𝗫₀ with $33 million worth of positions open right now. People are going pretty crazy. Anytime now, guys. Anytime now. Anytime now. All we're doing is just refreshing and refreshing and refreshing and refreshing because anytime now, it can happen. Any second now. Any second. But this is the most confusing thing I've done in crypto thus far, ladies and gentlemen. I have literally never been in a more confused state as to what in the world is going on. How can it be that, oh, we're starting to trade it tomorrow? Oh, but no, we're only trading it tomorrow if the SEC gives the approval. Oh, but then, no, but they can't deny it. Oh, no, but we're not. Why won't they just come out as early as possible? Is it just because they're waiting for the trading things to close? But even then, why leave all these people speculating when you could also just give the decision out? Is it just because prices would move too much then? Is that really it? You drank too much coffee? No, I didn't actually drink any coffee at all. I'm just getting almost mad about why they make it so freaking stupid of a system. Breed. I don't mind. It's not a big issue. It's just confusing and stupid. Remember the super chat about Alf and the first DEX 𝗂? They're exploding. That was very nice, Chief. I remember that. Yeah, you said it like maybe a couple weeks ago or last week. I'm not sure when it was. That's juicy. Real 2-time dump by News. And what new? It's just a shakeout. But why would the SEC there we go. I wanted to ask, why would the SEC deliberately manipulate the markets with all this confusion? But then I remembered, guys, it's Gary Gensler. Of course they're going to manipulate the market to make you think it just got denied, when in reality, nothing changed. There just would... Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate that. It's really the SEC type of style to go in and make things as confusing as possible. I appreciate that. William says, you know why? People having fun making money on the volatility. I would suspect the announcement will be out by 4 p.m. or post 4 p.m. Yeah, but in theory, it could be any time, right? Where are you guys are watching from right now? I think we have a more diverse chat than usual. Usually I don't stream this late either in the night. What's the time in the U.S.? I guess the U.S. is pretty big. There's a couple different time zones. Let me go check what the Eastern time. What time is it right now in ET? Hopefully it's not going to give me the movie. It right now is 3:33 Eastern time. So theoretically speaking, about 30 more minutes until perhaps this whole debacle starts. But, you know, right? I think so. And then the expected number is between, 30 minutes from now and 2.5 hours from now. Yeah, look at all that. This is always awesome, man. If you just kind of see through here, you see just how many different people are watching and checking it out. I don't know. It always gives a strange feeling of just how people are really watching, really in the chat here, all joined together. Something pretty humbling, Something pretty cool in my opinion. It's also interesting how this guy's now officially buying ETH, like one of you guys just said in the chat. Encoding overloaded. Is the stream still good, guys? It says encoding overloaded. I hope there's no issue. Test, test, test. I think we're good. Stream is good to go. Okay, that's nice. Been a minute since you had a long live stream, Dusty. Nice. No, actually, it's not been a minute. I had another live stream earlier today. You're saying check out Chris. All right, I'll check out Chris. 𝗵𝗵𝗲𝗍𝗀𝗪. Let's see. About the FUD. Chris is saying to be careful about BitGet. He's saying Grok, Bitcoin ETF. New news on 𝗓𝗍𝗀𝘀. What the frick is 𝗓𝗍𝗀𝗀? You mean the website, like the or the Twitter account? In the bull market, it is normal to have movement of $2,000 to $3,000. Maybe this is a sign we need more volume. Well, in theory, more volume could come pretty easily off of these ETFs in terms of seed investments and whatnot. XAI layer 3 on ARB. Yeah, I was just slightly too late getting myself into XAI. I think I texted the guys for it to still invest, but I was too late. Let me see if that was XAI or a different project. Oh no, different one. Let's see, where was XAI? I saw it come by though. I'm also in a Hong Kong chat, like a Chinese Hong Kong chat. Guys, you might think that my chat is active, right? That people are speaking a lot. The moment you join a Chinese chat, you'll know what real community is, man. These people do not stop for more than like half a second before 10 other messages are flowing in. These people, I'm not sure exactly who these people is in this community, these people. They're so crazy about chatting. It's wild. It really is mesmerizing in a good way. Anyway, so this congressman today bought some Ethereum, which I think was pretty juicy. Give me 30 seconds to look up all the most latest news, see if something else that's juicy just got popped up, because we've been sitting on kind of nothingness for a little bit. Let's see what we got. CBOE, no. Ex-hacker used a third party to gain access to the government account. We know. Let's be real. The Bitcoin ETF never really mattered. I think it did matter. The FBI just joined the SEC investigation in the false post. Obviously, hey, we got to give it to the SEC hacker. That man has some balls of steel, man. To go ahead and hack the SEC, you got to have, damn. I mean, even if you make a couple $1,000,000, it's interesting. I wonder if it wouldn't have been better to post a phishing link. I guess then maybe the punishment would have been way more severe. But even now, it's still a multi-deca-million market manipulation move. So it's still extremely annoying in terms of sentencing. And the SEC was so ashamed that you'll probably not get a good, how do you say, a good punishment, a good sentencing if push comes to shove. And on the sidelines, guys, I'm just reading through all the news that's coming out, like I always do. What is the most confusing to me Okay, wait, let's say something again. 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗀𝗧 says, Dusty, the ETF is not approved, yet your thumbnail states it starts trading tomorrow. You're lying. Okay, let's reiterate that by saying, first of all, my thumbnail doesn't say that. Second of all, hey, that's because officially it's been filed that it's going to start trading tomorrow. And I'll say it again, that's all we know. Gabriel says, stop being confused and talk. Okay, Gabriel, let's get you in my shoes right now. What is confirmed? Gabriel, let me know. Gabriel, speak. We're waiting all for you. Gabriel, please tell us exactly what's confirmed. If it's also easy to not be confused here, let me hear you explain exactly what's going on. I'll wait. Because it's such a confusing space. So the reason I'm not speaking as much, but mostly researching, is so we know the story better. For example, one of my friends here is posting, you absolute baboons, look at the date, 25th of July. The problem here being that even though a date is earlier in this sense, it was posted just now. It was posted today. So that confuses me in the sense of, is this now something from somebody, like just peddling back on that specific announcement? But why? Why? And why would the date be there? So I'm guessing it's like a rebuttal of an announcement made July 25th, but we checked and there was nothing. So I don't know why it says that date. Then again, it could be a mistake. I don't think it was a mistake. I think it's just something we don't fully understand, but it's not fake news though. So you say the date is wrong? Let's actually, for fun's sake, check if the other ones also have the same date. Let's see for fun. All right, let's check out if which company we're looking for. Which one we're gonna go for, guys? We have ARK that we already checked. I guess let's check out Fidelity. Fidelity. What is the official name of their filing? Here we go. Let's see if we can find it that way. There we go. Okay. So they have the exact same document that came out just now as well. Let's see if that also has a wrong date, or does it have a good date? Okay, so yeah, indeed, on the other one, it was just a wrong date because this one has the good date. Yeah, this one withdrawing is the good date. So it was just a wrong date then. You see how much misinformation is going around then, though? Because even to me, that was confusing. Why the wrong date? Can happen. These things have to be filed. Really, yeah. This is also a matter of, personally, if you ask me, you can't make a mistake with all that stuff. You can't make a mistake where a link is wrong. And all that is just pure stupid to the highest form. I don't know how anybody could mess that up. But hey, your thumbnail is misinformation. You're right. Sure, buddy. Are we moving? Bitcoin is on its road back up. Okay, that's nice. Let's see actually how BlackRock is doing actually. Because interestingly enough, BlackRock is not in this list, are they? Is BlackRock in this list? Can somebody see it real quick? Do you see it right now just looking within your first little seconds? Let's go look for the BlackRock one. if we can. iShares Bitcoin Trust. Here we go. Interestingly enough, BlackRock did not have this similar filing. Why not? So this is the ARK21 shares. This is the iShares BlackRock type of filing. Why do they not have the similar CBOE listing tomorrow and then a withdrawal type of document coming out? Why are they special? Why are they different? Interesting predicament. Interesting predicament. Okay, let's quickly check out Fox. Let's check out all the sources. Just one little standard little roll that I do. Charles Gasparino, we're going to check. Let's see if he posted something 20 minutes ago, his last one, but that is nothing to do with all this crypto stuff. Okay, let's go for, I'll show it to you what I'm doing. Let's quickly go for Eric Balcunas, or whatever his name is, from BlackRock. Oh, sorry, from Bloomberg. Okay, this is a real document. We got an update. This is a real document and sounds scary, but it's not significant. Looks like the CBOE jumped the gun as SG Johnson put it regarding listing announcement. No other exchange put one out, so the SEC was probably annoyed, probably wanted everyone to stand down till formal approval. If we hear anything beyond that, we will update, but for now, just ignore. So as of this point, it seems that the document that came out is just the CBOE backpedaling because the SEC didn't. Hey, you guys are right. I was so freaking slow because I was in a story. No way. What if this guy got hacked? Officially, the Bitcoin spot ETFs got approved. I'm just seeing if there's any SEC official source. Wasn't it kind of funny, though, that I just said, why isn't the BlackRock one? And exactly that minute it got approved, actually. It's kind of funny that I didn't notice. Yeah, I don't know how to read this little spaghetti text that he's got over there right now. Dusty is the remote controlled by Gary Gensler. Yes. I'm just trying to verify on everywhere that we can. Wait, the price is doing nothing. Wait, what? Nothing is going on. The price is not moving at all. And it already got approved 4 minutes ago. Okay, I got the SEC file. Let's see here. Wait, what? They're no way. No way we just got baited again, guys. No, we didn't get Gensler. I don't think so. I think it was actually officially approved. Charlie says he got it. Too much traffic. Wait. Are we being Genslered? Are we being Genslered right now? Is that seriously what's happening? Website got hacked? I mean, maybe they forgot 2FA for their Cloudflare. Working for you? Okay. Maybe. Oh, 8 seconds ago. There we go. There we go. Confirmed. Bloomberg order granting accelerated approval. It's over. Thank God! Woo! It took only years and years and years of our life. But Bloomberg posting the official confirmation, that's all I wanted. It's over. Thank holy oh my days, it took this is garbage, man. What in the world? But we got it. The website works fine for you. I don't know why it doesn't work for me then. Don't know. Maybe I'm streaming. Maybe it's taking too much of my freaking internet. Don't know. Don't care. Yeah, I think I'm just scrolling now through all the SEC accounts. The only thing that's not working for me is that page on the SEC. Wait, hey, somebody outside of the US, try to open, I'll send you the link in the chat. Be careful with links, but obviously I'm sharing it now. So try that link and see if it works for you. This is the link that 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗃 and the tier 10K account shared. But perhaps you cannot open this outside the US. Oh, wait. So why does it work for some people and some it doesn't? You see? And I'm asking my tech man if he knows what's up. But I guess now that it's official, we are going to see a slight little rally. I do expect it, even though it seems that even though it got approved, the Bitcoin price is not moving. But the retail, I would have expected would go for a slight little pump, but it's not happened yet. I still do expect it to flow. But at the end of the day, buying at these points is too risky. And it's interesting to me how little the price action actually has been here. This is the 1 minute chart. It's on KuCoin though. It's a garbage chart. Maybe let's watch a different one. Here's Bybit for a little bit more price action. Wick says, yeah, because the buyers were suckers yesterday. They don't want to take the bait again. Guys, did I just confirm that this is the most confusing thing in the world? Okay, let's confirm it again. Which one of you guys has this file and can tell us it's officially confirmed? Bloomberg says yes, it's confirmed. Tier 10K says yes, it's confirmed. Here's Bloomberg. They shared it and they said yes, it's confirmed. Oh yeah, sorry, I keep going quiet because then I go research mode. Then I want to know. But yes, the SEC, even though they're not posting it themselves, has officially, as far as we know, approved a Bitcoin spot ETF. It is official. Then again, I cannot see it myself. But I prove... Yeah, I think enough people have the official file on the SEC's website. Even though it's not working for me, I think enough people have it where I trust it. Look in your Discord, okay. What am I supposed to see? Oh, the other one. The old Discord, huh? Dude, I'm not clicking that, man. I'm you just share a picture or something. I'm not clicking that, sir. Yeah, no. Thank you, buddy. No, it's okay. We're good, all right? We're good. I'll believe you on your word, my friend. It's working now. Somebody says that's the right file. You do you, my friend. I will not click anything. If you click the link, you should have the file downloaded automatically. I have every automatic download off. So maybe that's messing me up. Well, there, we almost slipped up there. Ooh, damn. Keep refreshing your link. You think I've not refreshed this link like 5,000 times, my friend? I have refreshed this link more than I've blinked. What in the world are you talking about, bro? I've been pressing this button like there's no tomorrow. What are you talking about? Okay, Jeremy Hogan says it's legit, so we're probably good. Yeah, Jeremy Hogan is a good. I mean, anybody. I'm jumping the gun? No, it's been approved, my friend. Jeremy Hogan 1 minute ago just said, the Bitcoin ETF are officially approved again. Don't worry, I checked myself. Does this mean BlackRock might follow me on X now? Don't know, but it's official. And again, I'm not sure who can read this abracadabra right there, but hereby approved on accelerated basis by the commission. Yeah, everybody's posting it. But now they're saying that all 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved. Oh, even watch. But I mean, all these, it's been approved. It's been approved. It's been approved. It's been approved. Don't worry about all this noise on the sidelines. I'm not sure why the SEC did not post any announcement themselves, but Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved. All 11 of them. All 11 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All 11 of them have been approved as far as we know. Right? Yeah. So now it's just a matter of what's the price going to do? We're up a little bit, not too much, nothing spectacular because obviously we got debated the whole day, the last couple of days, and nobody was really on the sidelines anymore, I guess. Yeah, damn. This has been one of the most confusing days of my life. Show the chart. I like that you spell chart with a D. Fake news, guys, chill. It's not fake news. The SEC has not posted anything officially, but it's officially on the SEC website. The SEC has no news about it. The SEC has news about it. The SEC has news about it. The SEC has officially posted it on their website. However, for some people like me, it crashed. But it's officially on the SEC's website, ladies and gentlemen. Unless the SEC's website got hacked, which would be the funniest story of a lifetime. If the SEC's website got hacked, and this is actually not legit, I will literally go outside naked right now and probably get arrested because it's not allowed here. But I will not do that. Never mind. Let's step back. Let's hold up. Let's not say things I'm not going to actually do. I'm not going to do that. But I do believe, as far as everybody knows, as far as we know, it is officially approved. It's all good. It's officially on the SEC's website. I don't think Gary Gensler baited us again. I don't think that could happen. I mean, it's Gary Gensler, though, right? The link works for a lot of you people. Perfect. Let's refresh it again. Hey, Dios mío. It worked for me. A little clap in the chat, everybody. Let's say, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yay. Yay. Woo. Woo. The link works. Yes. Woohoo. Everybody, let's go. Let's go crazy. Woo. Let's buy cake. Woo. Let's stab. Anyway, the announcement is 22 pages long. Let's see. Yeah, and hereby are approved on an accelerated basis by the commission. I don't think it's fake, my friend. This is on the official SEC.gov website. You know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to dump. Okay, who is saying this is fake? How can it be fake on the SEC? Okay, again, I understand the confusion. Just because it's on the SEC's website doesn't mean the SEC has not been hacked, but it is officially on the SEC's website. Why are people? I think people are just trolling the living crap out of me with this. Just because the price is not moving doesn't mean that this didn't just happen. And everybody, if you've not, oh, you can't see. Why am I so stupid sometimes, guys? Here we go. Let me just open it like this, actually. And if you guys have not done it yet, make sure you get those likes up. We've had 7,500 people joining this stream. We're only at 600 likes. Let's get that to at least like 750. And also, if you want to get notified every single time something crazy happens, you want to make sure you've got the notification bell on or are subscribed, something like that. Make sure. Or if you just want to see more of our trading tutorials or trading cool things, because I'm going to post a trading tutorial like tomorrow or the day after. It's on Dusty Trades. Or just the channel you're watching right now for airdrop tutorials and other cool videos of that sort. I'll be posting many to hopefully make you guys as much money as humanly possible. So make sure you stick around for that type of cool stuff. 3 Digits says, 𝗕𝗓𝗪𝗍𝗀 says it's good, so then it's good. Yes, we officially got ourselves the spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. And they're going to start trading tomorrow. And the moment they start trading, we'll be going for a live stream. Would you guys like that? Should we go for that? Let's see yes or no's in the chat, just to see who cares and who doesn't, because I might have to wake up really early. I'm not sure exactly what time frame it starts on. It did not get deleted, guys. It did not get deleted. It is just the website bugging out. I have so many things open. Guys, don't worry. It has not been deleted. It's officially what's going on. It's gotten millions of views already. It's funny how many million people were just checking this right now as we speak. I'm still wondering why the SEC has never put up an... I'm just checking the SEC's Twitter account. Why are they not posting anything? I guess they're a little bit afraid of messing up again, huh? But that's what I'm looking on the sideline here. Any SEC-related account, but they're not posting shit. The SEC is probably too afraid to be posting all this stuff. This is the SEC's account and Gary Gensler's account. They ain't posting nothing. Price-wise, we're still on the up and up. Not too crazily, but we're still on the up and up. Some of you guys are saying they still have time, still time left. What are you talking about, bro? It could just be they have more time for the SEC to officially post something. The page has not been deleted. It keeps bugging out. It didn't work for me at the start either, but now it's working. Okay, a lot of you guys are excited. Tomorrow, for sure, we're doing a stream the moment it starts trading. Tomorrow we'll do a stream, and maybe, just maybe, we'll do a crazy giveaway too. Who knows, right? I got to do more giveaways, more cool stuff. One of my friends chatted. He says he's in the chat right now, but I can't see him. File's not found anymore? I'm not going to refresh because I have it open right now. Let me duplicate it. If this was also fake, on the SEC's official website, that would be the absolute funniest day ever. It's not loading, but I think it's because of traffic. You got to understand, 1 million people are trying to press the exact same link the same minute. No, for me, it still works, guys. So it's just you. For some reason, it's not letting everybody on the website. It has to do with traffic. It's not fake. Sorry, guys, for all the people that have been watching for like a minute or two. Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved. Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved. Bitcoin spot ETFs have been approved. No, it's not fake. No, it's not fake. No, it's not fake. Just quickly wanted to do that for all the ones that are not sure. Bloomberg say, waiting for an announcement after the ad break. I don't give a crap about Bloomberg no more. The Bloomberg analysts are all saying it's happened. Jeremy Hogan, who's one of my best authorities here, is saying it happened. You spit in my eye. All right? No, I'm not. I don't want to spit on you guys. What in the world? Why did you make me do that, bro? Why is the price not moving at all either? Guys, we're going for a little commercial break, and afterwards I'll tell you whether or not it got approved. Imagine. That would be the funniest thing ever. Oh, I like that. Ethereum is pumping. Look at that. Ethereum is zooting. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. We're pumping up. You know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Because this means Ethereum and XRP ETFs are coming in very, very hot next. So that is extremely, extremely, extremely bullish for XRP and Ethereum. Guys, right now, Ethereum and XRP are in a really, really good spot. Because if ETFs are coming for those next, woo boy, things can get really, really juicy up in here. Damn. Things can get really juicy. Look at what 𝗕𝗓𝗃𝗀𝗃 just posted. Guys, I have like 5,000 tabs open. I have at least, I think, like 200 or 300. So I have to really meticulously go through every tab to see which one is which. Let's just go to a fresh one. All the Bitcoin spot ETFs got accepted, huh? Damn. Let's see. 𝗕𝗓𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃. He didn't say. Oh. I hate to be picky when we are all loving on the SEC right now, but no. The court didn't say the SEC had failed to adequately explain its reasoning, as it states in its ETF order. It said the reasoning was arbitrary and capricious, just a little different. CXRP, are we pumping? Pump! Woo-hoo-hoo! We're pumping on XRP, boys! Finally! It is our time. XRP is up 5% over the last hour because ETFs are coming next for XRP. Let's go. You know, pump it up. You've got to pump it. Calm down. Guy, let me be excited for a second, man. Come on. A 5% pump in XRP terms is like 10,000% on any other coin. Can you understand this? You see the price is coming back down hard because you showed some negativity. Don't do that again or you're banned. All right? I only want excitement in this chat box. We don't do all that negativity over. No, just kidding, man. This is check Arbitrum. All right, let's do that. Arbitrum is also zooting. It is up a ridiculous amount today. Oh, that is unhealthy the way that Arbitrum is pumping right now. I told you guys to buy Arbitrum like a little bit ago. It's up 40% today, almost. Wow. That is wild. Wow. So even though the Bitcoin ETF situation was bearish for Bitcoin, it seems that this is the start for coins like XRP, Ethereum, etc., huh? Polkadot up 7% just now. Guys, it seems that all coins have found their time. It seems that all coins have found their time. And it makes me excited for the near future of crypto. It makes me extremely excited for the near future of crypto. If you guys want to see more crypto streams, you have to put the notification bell on. Tomorrow, as the Bitcoin ETF starts trading, I will also be streaming. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. Cool stuff is going to happen. But right now, no way, Ethereum is 20. Whoa, we're pumping. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what I just did, I just told my boss to go screw himself because Ethereum's pumping, XRP is pumping, and I'm done. Just quit my job. I am going to become a streaker. What that means is I'm definitely not wearing any pants anymore from every stream on Forward because I don't have to anymore. Just quit my job. I'm going all in on this coin called XRP. You might know it. Nah, but things are juicy, man. What in the world? ADA, let's see. ADA USDT. Please, guys, I'm joking. I don't have a job. You think I have the time to sit here streaming 20 hours a day if I had, to drive somewhere? Nah. ADA is actually in a really interesting spot where it's up 20% over the last 3 days. And today, how much? Let's see. From the dip today, it's up 8.7%. Not bad. Not bad, but not that good. Oh, damn. What a time for crypto this has been, huh? XRP ain't doing shit. My friend, have you seen the XRP price here in the last couple of minutes? It's something. It's not good, but it's okay. And that's something for XRP. But tomorrow, I think it's going to be way crazier. Wait until tomorrow when Bitcoin can be traded. Guys, I'm so hyped up for tomorrow. Once the Bitcoin ETFs start trading, the hype is going to be so phenomenal. I mean, it's not as if the volume is going to be so crazy. I'm talking about excitement and Twitter again. I mean, this was by far the craziest time I've seen on Twitter ever. I've never seen as much I'm getting speech issues as well. I've never seen as much confusion as I have over the last couple of hours. But I think tomorrow, as the Bitcoin ETFs start, perhaps XRP, Ethereum, all that stuff can go crazy again. And of course, like NS says, the Bitcoin ETF, the Bitcoin halving is also coming in a few months. Like anybody who's in crypto right now, you're at the start of things getting crazy. We're at the start of things getting crazy. That's the funniest parts. That's the funniest part of it all. That this, whatever we're noticing right now, it's nothing in the grand scheme of things. Price pump? This is no pump. Are you stupid? Are you crazy? This is some slight pumps in the grand scheme of things. I remember 2021. I went to bed. Next day I woke up. I shit my pants because my entire portfolio is down 40%. It happens in bull markets. Arbitrum is up 40%. Did you know? That's one coin. In bull markets, every freaking coin, when you go to bed, pumps like crazy. And then when you wake up, everything shits itself all the way down the gutter. That's what I need in a bull market. That's what you see when the crazy excitement is back. This is nothing. But perhaps a lot of that excitement is starting now. And that's something that I'm really interested in. To see how and where in the cycle we are. Because at some point, it's going to happen. At some point, those times are coming back where you go to bed not knowing if you're going to be broke again tomorrow. And that's the feeling I love most out of everything. Waking up not knowing if all your money's going to be gone the next day. Beautiful, isn't it? Here's the Bitcoin dominance chart. Not doing too well. Let's take a look. So it had a little revival earlier, but right now it's coming back down harder than ever before. Optimism is up 27%. Yes. I am. Let's go, man. I'm excited for all this. Oh. That's pathological gambling. One calls it gambling. One calls it calculated investing. You be the chooser of sorts, right? You choose whatever you want to call what we crypto people are. I will say it again. The Bitcoin spot ETF has been approved, officially confirmed on the SEC website and by every news outlet out there. If you do not know where to find it, go to Twitter and you'll find a link to the SEC website. That's all you need to know. Yes, it's been approved. Had to quickly make that clear because I still see people in the chat asking if it's been approved, even though the title says it just got approved. At the end of the day, we can't be lied to, but we'll only start seeing about that tomorrow. If this was fake again, that would be the craziest day of our lives, because that just means that literally the entirety of Twitter has to be thrown in the garbage bin. You're waiting for the SEC to confirm what? Confirm what? It's on the SEC website. What can they confirm? Oh, a tweet from the SEC is going to change everything? You remember what a tweet did yesterday? So I don't know about that, my brother. I think the SEC website speaks a lot. Gary is still at McDonald's. You know, Gary hasn't made it out yet. Look at Reuters, all right? I'm still not sure if it's Reuters or Reuters. I never know for sure how you pronounce the name of the website. And you guys, for some reason, never want to tell me either. Hey, where are you guys all watching from? I see somebody saying 3 a.m. Is it really 3 a.m. for somebody right now watching? And by the way, just because Reuters confirmed it does not mean it's it's true. Why does nobody say why do you guys always just write down? Is it Reuters? 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 I'm checking the whatever the name is website. Interestingly enough, it's not like on the front page or something. I guess they don't really care. But indeed, they have also come to the same conclusion as all of us. Stocks climb. U.S. SEC approved 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs. So I guess that's quite nice. Let's see here. Who did they put up as a source, though? The U.S. SEC has approved 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs, including those of Grayscale, Bitwise, yada, yada, yada. The approval will be game changer for Bitcoin. What type of statement, though? Offering institutional and retail investors exposure to the world's largest cryptocurrency without directly holding it, and a major boost for a crypto industry beset by a string of scandals. Reporting by some people in Bangalore. Uh-oh. Racist Dusty coming out. Bangalore? No, I'm just joking. I guess reporting can come from anywhere, right? I was just a joke. I think there's a lot of Bangalore, by the way, I think is the Indian tech hub, no? 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗧𝗬. Very nice. XRP going up. That's nice. SEC took the docs down. No, it's just the website messing up a little bit, I think. ETH is having a nice juicy breakout. Look at that. Oh. Ethereum breaking out. Finally. That is juicy. Again, what I'm doing is just looking through to see if we have any new information. For the most part, it's just the SEC's website going down all the way. And Shibatoshi made a funny little joke. He says the SEC will find a way to blame even the SEC's website going down on Elon Musk or something. Let's see. The media is going to find some way to blame Elon Musk for the official SEC website announcing its approval of the Bitcoin ETF and then taking it down. Well, it's up, down, but officially the XRP ETF and Ethereum ETFs have not been approved, like some of you guys are saying in the chat. We just know they're coming up next. Bitcoin spot ETFs are the only ones which have been approved. That might be logical to 99.9% of you, but maybe somebody listening doesn't know for sure. So I'm making it really, really clear and obvious. Somebody saying BitGet news. BitGet is a really, really tough little scale right there. Because I just texted BitGet and they're like, well, here's our rebuttal. And so I didn't have time to read through it, but I don't want to put anybody under the bus if it's not confirmed or anything. The BitGet news, I think for the most part, is just some people are afraid of BitGet and things have been changing. I texted them a couple hours ago, and at least the employees, they don't know what's going on. They're just saying internally that nothing is going on. But at the end of the day, I think FTX employees also didn't know. Yes, it's been approved. How many times? Please, do I have to write it down in text? Let me do that. I got you guys. I only have one problem, and that is that I do not know how to make it smaller. So it's going to be this from now on. I have a way, I think. That is like the worst color scheme ever. How do I? There we go. I mean, it looks good enough, I guess. There we go. Make it go sideways. I think it's good enough. I think I put a lot of effort into. Oh, you want me to write 11? All right. So, if anybody still does not know if it's been approved, it's up to you. It's your own fault. Right on your forehead. Shit. Let's try that. Dusty, look at XLM, all right? XLM ain't doing nothing. It's up 3% or so. Not too crazy. Not too crazy. Yeah, Bloomberg, BTC, everywhere. It's got approval. Yeah, so guys, I'm wrapping it up, actually. It's got approval everywhere. There's no more point of this stream. I don't want to waste anybody's time. As you guys know, I'm a man of efficiency. If I got more news, I'll come back to you. Right now, I got to go to researching. There's nothing I can show you on the Ethereum chart except for the breakout, but I'm going to have to research it as well with regards to exactly what is happening. I have got a airdrop tutorial coming out on this channel. So if you guys want to make money in crypto and you're not following the channel just quite yet, it's a waste. Tomorrow, we're doing a stream during the Bitcoin ETF trading. The moment it starts trading, I'll be here. And anytime something important happens to crypto, I'll be right motherfrickin' here. If I don't see any of you guys tomorrow, I'll be very disappointed. Guys, you've been amazing. We've been here for 2 hours or something. It's been wild, but it was awesome. Too confusing, but it's good. Hopefully, I'll see every single one of you tomorrow. And if I don't, it's going to be a fist fight. Me versus a toddler, because probably you guys are pretty good if you're watching this, because you guys are soldiers. Every single one of you, I love you so much. Make sure you press that like button. Have a good night. And don't get wrecked trading. Yeah, that's the last thing I'll just say, right? If you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now. And check out Dusty Trades. The link is down below.